Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to completely disable and turn off the Google Discover feature on your Android smartphone device. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or a Google Pixel phone, in today's tutorial I have you covered, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the Settings gear button. Now you want to scroll down again and locate the Google tile, and you want to select that. Select the All Services tab up at the top, and then underneath Settings for Google Apps, go ahead and select Search Assistant and Voice. And now that we're on this page, you want to select Other Settings, Language, Autocomplete, Autoplay. And there should be underneath App, it should say Discover. You'll see stories related to your interests on the Home tab of the app. If you want to enable this, just have it toggle to the right like you see on my screen. Conversely, if you want to disable that, just click inside the oval one time until it's grayed out. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.